of wonder by the throbbing light machine. In the tea-leaf trance or under orders from the king and queen. Songs to aging children come. Songs to aging children come. Aging children, I am one. People hurry by so quickly, don't they hear the melodies in the chiming and the clicking and the laughing harmonies? Songs to aging children come. Aging children, I am one. Some come dark and strange like dying, crows and ravens whistling, lines of weeping, strings of crying, so much sad listening. Songs to aging children come. Aging children, I am one. Does the moon play only silver when it strums the galaxy? Dying roses, will their perfume rhapsodies to me? Songs to aging children come. This is